Go to Greece. The people are lovely. The food is delicious. It's a nice introduction to the joys of easy living. Ingredients: half a kilo, 1 pound of ground beef, or a mix of beef and lamb. 1 medium onion, finely chopped or grated. 2 cloves of garlic minced. 1 egg, beaten. Half a cup of breadcrumbs. Quarter cup of fresh mint, finely chopped. Quarter cup of fresh parsley, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil for frying. However, Greece faces its share of challenges: financial instability, staggering debt, and a bureaucracy where 1 in 5 seems to be employed in the public sector. At the heart of these issues lies rampant tax evasion. Yet, amidst these struggles, Greeks showcase their culinary mastery with dishes like Kalamata olives, tzatziki, and heavenly meatballs. While their culinary finesse shines, the same can't be said for their housing. Many homes remain half-built, adorned with steel reinforcements protruding from the roofs. Why? They're left unfinished to skirt taxes. But fear not, our meatballs won't be left half done. They'll be cooked to perfection, served with a dollop of delectable, dippy tzatziki sauce. Check out the link above for the recipe for an unforgettable Greek dining experience. Delicious bifteki. Should I remove these stems? Are they too thick? Okay, take the stems out, okay? Too much. You know what? Jesus, it's like these stems are like tree trunks actually. Thick enough. So traditionally you'd grate all of this stuff, but I think it's time for that bollocks. It didn't come off, it just got a little cut, it didn't come off. It's okay. It's okay. Alright. The wood didn't come off, it's fine. So I think you have this amazing mixture now. Which looks like this. That's what it looks like. And I think you'll all agree, it looks amazing. Eggs in there. Look at those beautiful eggs. Organic. Ooh. Breadcrumbs. Great for texture and holding everything together. There's nothing to do with making the meat go further. It's all about texture. And when you cook it, retaining the fat. Fat is the carrier of flavor. I'm going to put half of this in here. A little bit of lamb. A little bit of beef. A little bit of lamb, a little bit of beef. Might be easier to do this in a bowl. We want all of that colour uniformly spread out. Now these freeze very well, so I'm not eating all of these in one go.
Name your channel Two Chili Peppers.
Two Chili Peppers should be the name of the channel, huh? Alright, listen, that's a quarter cup, and that's how big each meatball should be. Okay? Use this like an ice cream scoop. And I just heard that plastic recycling is nonsense. Plastic can only be recycled once. Unlike like aluminum.
Or glass.
Or glass. Yeah, I think milk and every liquid should be sold in glass. These Tetra Paks are a joke, like. Anyway, let's get an old splash of the old olive oil in there. Olive oil, right? Use that. Don't be using those nut oils because they cause inflammation. So that's enough, okay? That's enough. Just do that in your hand, okay? Flatten it. It looks like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll set that on maybe 4. And I think like 3 or 4 minutes we should be fine. Maybe 3 minutes. It smells good already. Another 4 minutes on 40% power. bit big, isn't it?
It's okay.
Maybe I should have used a smaller measuring cup. Oh, that's a beautiful burger. It's really thickened up. When I say it's thickened up, I'm not talking about this particular cream here. This was. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so get it here. All right. You try that now and tell me if you think that's delicious.
It's very hot.
Dippy sauce. Dippy sauce.
It's very hot.
Dippy sauce. What's that, love? What are you saying?
In het bed in Trabzon.
In English?
Both need salt.
Oh, okay, so we should.
So sweet.
So okay, so just sprinkle a bit of salt on it now while it's still hot, like. There's the salt here.
I did not realize I'm speaking Bulgarian too.
Oh, okay. So what do you think of them like?
Nice.